Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video on my channel. I'm super excited to have you here. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or someone looking to dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. First up, we'll be diving into a wide array of AI topics. We'll explore the basics of AI like machine learning and neural networks, and gradually move to more advanced concepts like natural language processing and computer vision. But that's not all. We'll also discuss real-world applications of AI, from how it's transforming industries like healthcare and finance to the AI tools you might already be using in your daily life without even knowing it. In terms of video formats, expect a mix of educational explainers, hands-on tutorials, and thought-provoking discussions on AI ethics and future trends. We'll have something for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. AI explainers breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand terms. AI demos showcasing cool AI tools and applications. AI interviews chatting with experts and innovators. AI challenges putting AI to the test in fun and creative ways. And here's the best part, we'll be uploading new video every week, so there's always something new to learn and explore. Make sure to check back regularly so you don't miss out. Now, I want this channel to be a community where we can all learn and grow together. So I highly encourage you to leave your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments. Let's make this journey interactive and engaging. Before we wrap up, if you're excited about embarking on this AI journey with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Trust me, you won't want to miss the exciting content we have planned. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this incredible adventure into the world of AI. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. See you in the next video.